Hello students, today we will study about what are multiples. You can see on the screen 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Now what are 4 and 5? You all know that 4 and 5 are what? 4 and 5 are what? Factors. And the product which we are getting, 20, is what? A multiple. This is called a multiple. When we multiply two numbers and the product, we were knowing this as product. Now this is only a multiple. You can see, so we can say that 20 is a multiple of 4 and 20 is also a multiple of 5. Now in simple words, if we define the multiple is a number obtained by multiplying it by counting numbers. Like counting numbers are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can count till whatever we want, whichever number we want. There are uncountable numbers. So we can keep on multiplying. Like suppose we have to find out multiples of 7. So 7 into 1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3, 7 into 4. This way we keep on finding it out, the multiples. Now see how to find multiples. There is a set formula. Given number multiplied by counting numbers or natural numbers. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 till wherever you want. Now here we can see the example. For example, multiples of 9. Here we have multiples of 9. So 9, you can see every time the number here is 9. And this 9 is being multiplied by different counting numbers. Some here first example 1, then 2, 9 2s are 18, 9 5s are 45, 9 19 times 171, 9 250 times 2250, and so on. And you can see here that I have made many dots here. What does this dot show? This dot shows that there are uncountable number of multiples of a given number, uncountable as much as we wish for. Now see here a few important properties of multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then dot 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 shows that uncountable number of multiples of 2 are there. Then multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, dot dot dot. Multiples of 4, you can see the table, 4 to the 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on, dot dot dot. What does this dot is showing? The dot is showing there are uncountable number of multiples of a given number. So if you see this, there are important properties of multiple are here. Least multiple of a number is the number itself. You can see the smallest multiple, like multiple of 2 we are saying. So smallest multiple is what? 2. Multiple of 3, smallest is what? 3. Multiples of 4, smallest is what? 4. So the first property tells us that the least number of a given number is always the number itself. If I say what is the least multiple of 12, it is 12. Now the second important property comes out from this is there are infinite number of multiples of each number. Infinite number of multiples of each number. You can see 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. We can keep on writing as much as we wish for. 1000, 2000, 3000, many more. Now let us see the difference between multiples, factors, and multiples. You can see factors of 12. The factors of 12 here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. What are the multiples? Let us see here. 12 into 1, 12 into 2, 12 into 3, and so on. So what are the multiples? Multiples are 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on. The dot dot shows so on. Now let us see the difference. Factors are limited in number. You can see after 12, I have not made any dot. 1, 2, there are only 6 factors of 12. So they are limited in number, or we can say finite. Limited, word finite is for limited. But here if you see the multiples side, there is a dot 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 which shows there are infinite number of multiples. As much as we wish for, we can write. Then the second important point is least factor of each number is 1. 1, and the greatest factor is the number itself. See here in the factor list, least factor, from where the factor is starting, 1, and the greatest factor is 12, and we are finding out 12. So 12 factors of 12, so least number is 1 and greatest is 12. Here the least multiple is the number itself. If you see here, the least multiple is what? 12, and rest all multiples are greater than 12. Rest all multiples are greater than 12. 24, 36, 48, and so on. We start with 12, so least multiple is the number itself. Then factors of a number are smaller than or given number. So, or equal to the given number. So, you can see factors of 12. All the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 all are smaller than 12, and only 12 is equal to 12. And what about multiples of the 12? The smallest multiple is the given number. The smallest multiple is the given number. Like here is 12, 24, 36, 48. The smallest multiple is what? 12. And rest all multiples are greater than the number. All multiples are greater than the number. So this is all about multiples and difference between factors and multiples.